Welcome to our exploration of the Kamewa KMW CO-21E PCB card. Discover the key features and specifications of this used model. This document provides an overview of key features related to identifying the model of a used PCB card. It includes insights into the distinguishing characteristics and specifications that aid in the accurate identification and assessment of the PCB card model. The focus is on ensuring precise recognition through detailed analysis of the card's features and attributes. Renowned Marine Propulsion offers high-quality solutions that are efficient for all types of vessels. With a reputation for excellence in the marine industry, the company ensures superior performance and reliability in its propulsion systems, catering to diverse maritime needs with precision and expertise. The entity is distinguished for its expertise in marine propulsion, offering high-quality water jets that are highly regarded. Their products are trusted and utilized in both commercial and military sectors, underscoring their reliability and excellence in performance. KMW shares a commitment to engineering excellence. Their innovative designs ensure superior performance and reliability on the battlefield, reflecting a legacy of precision and strength. The CO-21E PCB card is a crucial element in modern electronic systems, serving as the backbone for mounting and connecting various components. This printed circuit board ensures seamless integration and reliable performance in electronic devices. The CO-21E PCB card is integral to electronic systems, acting as the core platform for component integration. It facilitates efficient connections, ensuring devices perform reliably by supporting seamless electronic interactions. Thank you once again, and we look forward to facing challenges and celebrating successes together in the days ahead. Thank you.